Welcome back to SVJ Academy. Today we are going to study what is concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. This function is very useful in our day-to-day work. This function concatenate means is joining two text in Microsoft Excel. Let us check. Here I have written Mr. Amit Singh. What I want is Mr. is in one column and in Amit Singh is in another column. So what we have to do? Mr. Amit Singh. This is the name. So, for joining these two texts, we can use concatenate function equal to concatenate, bracket is open. Select the text we want to join together. Mr. comma Amit Singh. Close the brackets. Enter. Now it is Mr. Amit Singh. In the same way, concatenate message Juliet Merlin. Message Juliet Merlin. Now this is the name of the company, so we will use message. Now this is the name of a company, so we can use message concatenate comma ABC Limited enter. Here it is written as Mr. Martin Luther King. These four texts are in four columns, so we want to join these names. Concatenate Mr. Martin Luther King. Everything is separated by comma. Put enter. Now what will happen? It is joined together, but there is no space between Martin Luther King. So we want to space them. For spacing, Mr. Martin is that there is no space, but between Martin and Luther we want space. So for spacing, double quote, give a space, close the double quote, comma, enter. See, now Martin space Luther. Again for the king, double quote, one space, close the quote, comma, enter. Now Martin Luther King. Whatever the name, it is taken from here. See, Martin and King is joined together. If I written Martin Luther King, it is joined Martin Luther King, and I have removed King, Martin Luther. If I have removed Martin, it will join with Mr. Luther King. See, this is the function of concatenate. This is the beauty of concatenate. Whatever we are joining, it will join. See, I am removing Martin Luther from here, so it will write as Martin King. And this is very useful while we are preparing any financial statements or anything like that. Here I have written 2018 and 19. So we have to join them. Concatenate this one, comma this one. Close the brackets. Now it is joined with the 18-19. So in between 2018-19 we want a small hyphen. So double quote, hyphen, quote double quote, comma, enter. Now 2018-19. If it is written as 2019, it is written as 19. And here I have written one mobile number. If you want to specify the mobile number or WhatsApp number, we can write here in another way, concatenate. Whatever the text we want to write is used in double quote, mobile. Put the colon, one space also, because after mobile it will give one space, then the mobile number will start. select the data. Mobile, it is taken. If I want to change it mobile to WhatsApp, so the problem, the usage is, so the usage of concatenate function is that if you have a huge data, most of the usage of Microsoft Excel is working on large data. If it is small data or small items, that we can do it easily by manually also. But if it is a very huge data, it will take very time consuming work. So in that time we want to use this type of functions. So here in a column we have thousands of mobile numbers. Before that mobile number we want to specify whether WhatsApp number or mobile number or just mobile number, residence number, whatever we want to specify, we can write it. Here one address is given, Mohan 100 bar by 524 Golden Nest banner 0. So we want to that four columns are joined together to a single line equal to concatenate Mohan. After Mohan, we want to use one comma, because when we are writing an address Mohan, 100 Golden Nest, bar 0. This is the method in writing. In the same way we can use select Mohan, open quote, give one comma, close the quote, again comma, select the next one, comma, double quote, comma, double quote. That double quote means that the comma is on the text. Okay. Again close it by comma. Select the next one, comma, double quote, comma, double quote. That comma is for Mohan, comma, 10524, comma, Golden Nest, comma, Banerjee dot. This is for that comma. Again, comma, select the next one. There is no comma after that one because that is the last one. Close the bracket. See. Now Mohan 524, Mohan, comma, 524, comma, Golden Nest, comma, Banerjee dot. It is sometimes when we are exporting data from any software, the address of the parties may be like this only. Each text will be in each column. So how can we use it? If we want in this way, we can use concatenate function for joining the words, joining the text. So we can get it like here. So this is a usage of concatenate function. This is very useful in our day-to-day work for text joining. A text in any manner. That is the beauty. This is. Now I have shown some simple techniques. We can use any text in any manner by using concatenate function. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you really like it, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.